Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia teaching Maths 1st Standard 8th in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College welcome you all. Let's continue with lesson number 15 Area. In my last session I had explained area of parallelogram. Today we will learn, discuss and understand area of a rhombus. Children, the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So we get four congruent right-angled triangles. Sides of each right-angled triangle are half the length of diagonals. Area of all these four triangles are equal. Therefore, area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonals, or area of a rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Now with the help of the formula, area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonals, or area of a rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Let us solve practice set 15.2. The first sum. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 15 cm and 24 cm. Find its area. Now here children, they have given you diagonal 1 as 15 cm and diagonal 2 as 24 cm, and you are going to find out the area of a rhombus. So first you are going to write down the formula. Area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Then you are going to substitute the value of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, which is equal to half into 15 into 24. Now after multiplying and dividing it by 2, you will get 180 square centimeter. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to 180 square centimeter. The second sum. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Find its area. Here again children, they have given you diagonal 1 as 16.5 centimeter and diagonal 2 as 14.2 centimeter, and you are going to find out the area. So again, first you are going to write down the formula, that is area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Then substitute the value of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, which is equal to half into 16.5 into 14.2. Again, after multiplying, dividing, you will get 117.15 square centimeter. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to 117.15 square centimeter. The third sum. If perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and length of one diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of the quadrilateral? Now children, let quadrilateral ABCD be a rhombus with perimeter 100 centimeter. Just look at that figure. It is named as ABCD and it has got two diagonals. Which are the diagonals? AC and BD, and it intersects at point M. And what have they given to you? They have given you the perimeter. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. And how many sides does a rhombus have? It has 4 sides, but they have given you the sum of all the sides. So you are first going to find out the length of one side when they have given you the perimeter. So perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 into side. Now perimeter is given as 100 is equal to 4 into side. Therefore, side is equal to 100 divided by 4, because 4 when it goes to your left hand side, it gets converted into division. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25 centimeter. Now you have got the length of the side is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now what they have said that length of one diagonal is 48 centimeter. So let us take the diagonal as BD. Now BD, they have said that it is 48 centimeters, and as it is said that diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other, Let us find out the length of BM. Now when length of BD is 48 centimeter and to find out length of BM, it is half the length of BD, correct. So therefore BM is equal to half into BD. Therefore BM is equal to half into 48, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of diagonal AC. Now to find out the length of diagonal AC, just look at the figure, children. Now in triangle AMB, angle AMB is 90 degrees. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Now what is AB? We had found out what is AB, that is the side. Yes, 25 square is equal to AM square plus we also found out what is BM, that is 24 square, correct. So 25 square is 625 is equal to AM square plus 24 square is 576. Therefore AM square is equal to 625 minus 576. Therefore AM square is equal to 49. Now you are going to find out the length of AM by finding the square root of 49. Therefore AM is equal to square root of 49 is equal to 7 centimeter. Now if AM is 7 centimeter, then length of AC is what? 2 into 7, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Now you have got, now they have given you that one diagonal was already given to you as 48 centimeter, that is BD, and now you have found out the second diagonal, that is AC, as 14 centimeter. So you are now going to find out the area of rhombus. Therefore area of rhombus ABCD is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, which is equal to half into diagonal 1 is 14 centimeter into 48 centimeter. So after multiplying and dividing or cancelling, you will get 336 square centimeter. Therefore area of rhombus is equal to 336 square centimeter. The fourth sum. If length of a diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. Now children, again look at the figure. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus where diagonals PR and QS intersect at point M. Now they have given you the length of the diagonal PR as 30 centimeter and area as 240 square centimeter. You are going to find out diagonal 2, that is QS. So area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Area is given as 240 is equal to half into diagonal 1 is PR and diagonal 2 is into QS. So 240 is equal to half into 30 into QS. Therefore QS is equal to 2 into 240 divided by 30. So after cancellation you get 16. So length of QS is 16 centimeter, that is diagonal 2 is 16 centimeter. Now diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Now length of PM is equal to half into length of PR or RP, and length of QM is equal to half into length of QS. So therefore PM, length of PM is equal to half into, now what was PR? 30. So half into 30, which is equal to 15 centimeter, and length of QM is equal to half into QS. QS is 16. So half into 16 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now length of PM is 15 centimeter and length of QM is 8 centimeter. Now you are going to find out the length of PQ. Now in triangle, now look at the triangle. Now in triangle PMQ, angle PMQ is 90 degree. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PM square plus QM square. So PQ square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to 225 plus 64, which is equal to 289. Now, you are going to find out the length of PQ by finding the square root of 289, which is 17 centimeter. Now, they have given you the length of one side PQ, and you are going to find out the perimeter of PQRS. So, now perimeter means sum of all sides. Now, when they have given you, when you have found out the length of one side, to find out the length of all the four sides, it has to be multiplied. So therefore, perimeter of PQRS is equal to 4 into length of PQ, which is equal to 4 into 17 is equal to 68 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rhombus PQRS is equal to 68 centimeter. With this, I complete with area of rhombus, explaining with practice set 15.2. I'll continue with this chapter in my next session. Thank you and God bless.